Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Tuesday, the 27th of May. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. In our latest global market outlook, we downgraded gold to neutral. However, our 12-month price target is at 3,500, which implies that we do see some mild upside going forward. So how do we link all these up together? Well, first of all, let's start with the probabilities of our macro scenarios. We continue to see a 50% chance of soft landing in the US economy over a 12-month horizon, and that's our base case. And we also see a 25% probability of hard landing, which is actually down from the 30% probability back at the end of April. Now, we see gold benefiting from safe haven demand in the case of hard landing, and having a higher baseline price due to lingering political uncertainties in the case of a soft landing. So despite our assessment in the slight drop in probability for hard landing, there's still a total probability of 75% of hard and soft landing, where gold would be in demand. Our strategy is to trim excessive positioning in gold at these levels. Roughly speaking, in a balanced portfolio, it would make sense to trim 20% of one's holdings in gold at the current price. We've been noticing buyers' fatigue in Asia, which is a key source of demand, resulting in gold's strong price movement. Central bank has shown some price sensitivity this year. Yes, the demand is still strong in the first quarter compared to long-term history, but it had moderated versus the average for the last few years. However, we do see strong support for gold at the 3,100 level. That is where investors may consider adding back more exposure to gold and aim for our 12-month price target at 3,500. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.